In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a page break in LibreOffice Writer. A page break is the clean, professional way to start a new page exactly where you want, perfect for separating chapters, starting a new section, or making sure a title appears at the top of its own page. Unlike pressing Enter a bunch of times, a page break stays consistent even if you edit the document later. First, launch LibreOffice Writer. Open the application as you normally would on your computer. Once Writer is open, load the document you want to edit. If your file is already saved somewhere, open it from the File menu and select it from your folders. Give the document a moment to load so everything is ready to go. Next, click in the document at the exact spot where you want the new page to begin. This is important. The page break will split the document at the position of your blinking cursor. Everything after the cursor will move to the next page. A good practice is to place the cursor at the end of a paragraph or after a heading that should start the next page. Double-check that the cursor is in the main body text and not inside a header, footer, or text frame. Now go to the top menu and choose Insert. This is where Writer keeps tools that add content or structure to your document. When the Insert menu opens, look through the list and find the option for Page Break. Click Page Break. Immediately, Writer will insert a break at your cursor and push everything after it onto a new page. You should see your document jump to the next page with a clear separation right where you placed it. You can confirm it worked by scrolling to see the new page or checking the total page count in the status bar at the bottom of the window. If the break landed in the wrong spot, don't worry. Simply undo the action to go back, or move your cursor to a better location and insert the page break again. If it looks like nothing happened, make sure your cursor wasn't already at the start of a new page, and ensure it wasn't placed inside a table or special element. Remember, using a page break keeps your layout stable as you edit. It's more reliable and easier to maintain than adding extra blank lines. That's all you need to insert a page break confidently in LibreOffice Writer.